Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Meet apps. So I'm going to open the Google Meet app first. Since I already signed up for the app, you can just use it right away, so you can start a new meeting, or if you have a code probably from your colleagues or your friend, you can just click join with a code, and then you can paste the code here and then click on join to join the meeting. But if you want to be the one to start the meeting, just click on the start new meeting, and then you can just get a meeting link to share. You can share it to your friends or colleagues. But if you want to start a new meeting right away, just click on this again and then click on start an instant meeting like this, and then it will be direct you to the meeting like this. You can also share the invite here. When you're done, just click on this to close the call, to close the meeting. You can also do the in-call message, share screen on of your phone. You can also show caption or report if you have a problem like this one, and you can also set the meeting like this, live caption, the language of the cell, and etc. Okay, I'm going to end the meeting first. This. Okay, can go to the setting here. You can limit the data usage, and also you can leave empty calls. Okay, so just like that, if you want to rejoin the meeting, just click on this on the link that you've already used before. Click on rejoin, and then it will be open again like this. You can also use some filters to make probably your appearance more I don't know. You can also change the background, the styles, the and etc. You can also blur like so. Okay, it's so easy to. Okay, so I think that's it. That is the basic on how you can use Google Meet apps on your phone. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to leave a comment, click like, and also subscribe our channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.